heavily loaded Aerosucher Boeing 727 struggles to climb after a long takeoff run. This WestJet Boeing 737 encounters a wind shear and touches down short of runway threshold. This Emirates Airbus A380 drifts off the center line during takeoff in wet and misty condition. This Airbus A321 touches down at a large carb angle in crosswinds conditions. This Ryan airplane encounters landing a firm landing with little to no flare input by pilot. This airplane flies close to an Airbus during air-to-air shoot.